Here's how to get a blue tick on your Instagram account. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the menu icon in the top right, then go to Account Center. Select Subscriptions, then tap Meta Verified. Wait for the available plans to load. If you're eligible, you may see a free trial offer. Choose the plan that includes the verified badge and tap Unlock Benefits. Select the Instagram account you want to verify, then continue with the subscription process. If a free trial is available, tap Start Free Month. Otherwise, complete the subscription using the available payment option. After subscribing, your verification request will be submitted for review. In some cases, Instagram may ask you to verify your identity by uploading a government-issued ID. If requested, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the verification process. The review usually takes up to 48 hours. Once it's approved, return to your Instagram profile and refresh the page. If your application is successful, the blue verified badge will appear next to your account name. That's all for this video. Thanks.